This is Amit. Here I am with the VIT integrated MTech rank versus all branch. Tomorrow you are going to get the rank as well as counseling will start. Only 2 days you have, because they have provided the date for 2 days only, choice filling and decision making. So for that I am here to guide you properly to get the best out of your rank. So here is the information that what you can expect at your rank, whatever you will get tomorrow. So for Vellore and Chennai, minimum 70% you should have in class 12, and for Amravati and Bhopal, minimum 65%, and this is for general EWS OBC. And for SC ST minus 10, means for Vellore SC ST 60, and for Amravati and Bhopal SC ST 55% only required minimum. So all campus I will discuss category 1 to 5. You also know in VIT integrated fee is less as compared to the original BTech course. Now let's talk about VIT AP, a score versus branch, that is rank versus branch. So category 1 you will get up to 9000 CSC in collaboration with Virtusa. Software engineering you will get up to 11,000. Category 2 11 and 14,000. Category 3 16 and 19,000. Category 4 20 and 22,000. And category 5 25 and 27,000, that is CSC specialization in collaboration with Virtusa and software engineering. This was about VIT AP. Now I will talk about VIT Chennai. Before that, on the screen as you are getting my number, if you want the guidance then only contact me. I am not requesting or advising you anything. I am just informing you that I am available for the guidance, because later if you do mistake no one can help you. That's why I am here to guide you properly. You can pay the guidance fee, that is 499 initially, and get the information what you can get based on your particular rank, and thereafter if you satisfied you can pay the remaining amount of 2500 and get the complete guidance, that is up to admission, that is total charges 3000. But if you pay all at once 2500 only I will take for first 100 students. So if you are interested, try to contact me as soon as possible. VIT Chennai cutoff here it is: CSC data science 7000 category 1, software engineering 9000, category 2 9 and 11, category 3 12 and 14, category 4 14 and 16, category 5 17 and 19,000. Now let's talk about VIT Bhopal. Category 1 12 14 and 13, that is CSC data science, cyber software engineering and cyber security. And thereafter category 2 14 17 16, category 3 16 20 18, category 4 18 23 21, category 5 22 26 24,000. In this integrated counseling, very less number of students participate, around 30 to 35,000. That's why the cutoff is low. Do your counseling carefully, that is better counseling to get best out of your rank. That's what I will do, as I'm doing it from last 7 years. Now Vellore main campus: CSC data science 3000, and Virtusa 5000, software engineering 4000, category 2 5 5 7, category 3 7 8 10, category 4 10 12 15, category 5 13 16 18. So VIT counseling is a very unique counseling, because category wise and branch wise, campus wise, you have to fill the choices, so it is quite confusing. For that I will guide you. Whenever you want you can contact me. Thank you.